Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw 2D shapes. So let's go. White color, yellow color, green color, blue color, brown color, red color. So let's go. Now I am drawing pentagon. I am drawing a pentagon now. Now I am drawing triangle. I am drawing a triangle now. Now I am drawing circle. I am drawing a circle now. Now I am drawing cross. I am drawing a cross now. Now I am drawing kid. I am drawing a kid now. Please watch the full video and subscribe this channel. Hey kids, watch the full video and subscribe this channel and share these videos. So let's go with coloring. Now I am using yellow color. I am using red color now. I am using red color now. I am using green color now. I am using green color now. I am using brown color now. I am using blue color now. I am using yellow color now. Bye bye kids.